Hello everyone, back here from the Jones Dresser channel, and the reason we're not making any videos is because we're having school, so we're not going to upload a video until it's the weekend, and yeah, and I always record at nighttime. I don't know why. Yeah, it's because I have school, and after that I do like a lot of stuff, like a lot. I talk with Andrew sometimes, like. Also, go check out his channel. It's called like General Andrew Channel. And what's it called? Like he's like doing. You should go check out his videos and yeah. Go check my subscriptions and like in my subscriptions, and then I'll show you like the channels that I know, like and some of them I actually work with. Like I work with Spring Trolls a bit and yeah, other ones. And yeah, that's all I wanted you to know. And bye. So subscribe. I shown you because I don't have that much subscribers right now, unless you're watching this like from a long time, after not in maybe like in 2100 or something. I don't know. Bye. And also, yeah, bye!